Hey everyone, if you watch my channel regularly, you'll know that I have a soft spot for all sorts of different designs of watches. I also built this clock kit, which was featured in a previous video, but my daily wear is this Apple Watch SE. Unfortunately, it's gone through a little bit of wear and tear, as you can see by my silicone band here that's falling apart. But the folks over at Bandletic saw this and were nice enough to send me over one of their new Fidlock Neo 2.0s. So we're gonna try this out. We're gonna change the band on this watch and have a look at how it feels, how it operates, and we'll check out all the cool features of this band. So get these out of the way. And the first thing we wanna do is remove my band. Now, it has seen better days. We'll slide it out. As you can see, this one is practically falling off at the seams. It's only holding by the bottom part. Of course, here too, it does not look like in good shape. Goodbye, old band. Hello, Bandletic. Okay, here we go. Your go-to outdoor watch band. So this is the Fidlock Neo 2.0. Okay, we're gonna see how it operates. It is soft band, made of fabric, nice and tough. It has a little bit of stretch to it as well. And we're gonna peel this off. Here we go. Cue up the music. Oh yeah. Oh okay. Yeah. So this flips up and opens like that. It is magnetic. I can feel it snapping. It does take a little time to get used to it, but we're gonna install this into the watch. And what you do is you use the Velcro part right here to set the size. And once you do that, you don't need to reset or change the Velcro. You just flick it on and off with this. So let's get it installed. Okay. Now, how do we put this in? And what's the best way to attach it? I'm gonna have a look at a couple of screenshots so I can see which way it goes. And then we'll come back and get this on. Okay, so I had a look at a few pictures and apparently this part goes on the top of the watch. So we're gonna unhook it like so and slide this in here. Should go right in like so. And we're in, very secure. That's a nice soft part there. Okay, the other part would go on this side. Let's slide that in, right in here. Okay, also clicks right in, and there it is, pretty cool looking. Okay, now the idea is to get this on your wrist first and set it. So let's do that. If I can just slide this on here. There we go. And here it is. Okay. There. Okay, it has this tactical look to it. Quite sporty with this buckle here. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out a little. Okay. And once you set this wristband and you have the Velcro nicely attached here, you don't have to adjust it. Only if you feel like it's a little bit tight and you want to have it a little bit looser, you can do that. But there is some stretch to it. There's a little bit of a stretch to this band here. Okay, but what you want to do to take it on and off is you use this and it just opens up like that. Now it takes some time to get used to it. Let's put it on. And it just sticks on like this. That's it, it's on. It kind of just magnetically clicks on. Let's try that again. I'm gonna just set this up more evenly. So it's right in the middle. Okay, so to take it off, hold on to your watch so it doesn't go flying. There, it's off. Put it on. It just clicks right on. It's magnetic. So once it's on, it doesn't come off easily. You have to flick it off to get it off. That's why it's called the Fidlock. You can fidget with this thing, but to put it on, it just goes on. You line this up into that diamond right there, and it's on. See? That's it. It just stays on. Okay, I'm gonna practice this a little bit more, and we'll try to show how to take it on and off. Okay, so let's have a look at the mechanism again. That's it there, it's magnetic. It locks in like this. Just simply hold it over and it will clip on magnetically. To take it out, you flick this up. Clicks on, magnetically comes off. So if you were to put it on your hand, your wrist, you just flip it over, you find this, and it stays on. It looks cool. It's got this tactical look, quite sophisticated. It's comfortable. And there's a variety of colors. I got the black one, but you have green and various other orange and so on. Take it off. You just flick this up. That's it. You want to put it back, just find the magnet. It just sticks. See? On. You lift it up. It's off. Easy. This washes under regular soapy water. You let it dry. Don't throw it in a machine or anything. It's quite rugged, and it has that stretch to it as well, as you see, and it just looks really cool. Now, definitely go over to Bandletic's website. I'll put a link in the description and check out their other offerings. They have a whole variety of different neat sort of looking bands. Thanks again to Bandletic for sending this over just in time so I can throw this really broken band out. No more silicone rubbery bands like this. Those are garbage. Hello to Bandletic's cool tactical Fidlock Neo 2, which I hope to be wearing a lot more in the future. Okay, so over on the Bandletic website, you can see all the different bands they have, from sport, outdoor, Bandletic, Fidlock, and urban. That is another variation of the Fidlock Neo magnetic band. I have the Neo 2.0, which we'll see in a moment. But you see various featured Apple Watch bands, and those are Samsung watch bands. You've got all sorts of varieties of colors and styles. Many of them feature that fabric-like material made of nylon, durable, easy to wash, and just cool-looking straps and watch bands for different watches and styles. Let's have a look at the one that I have, the Fidlock Neo 2.0. You can see it there. That's the exact one I have, and we've got some photos showing it at different angles. And that's what I was using as a reference to install my band, because I didn't know exactly which orientation it should go in. You do have a variety of different color options, as you can see. There is a more subdued space gray model color, which is pretty cool as well. And then you have the green one, which is also quite good. Kind of reminds me of something for hiking or military, a tactical sort of look. And I just think it's a really cool looking watch band. Totally different than anything else I have. It's comfortable, as you can see there. It's using that very soft nylon material. And you've got the Velcro in order to allow you to size it. And then you have that magnetic guided Fidlock mechanism, which is easy to take on and off once you get used to it. So definitely worth checking out Bandletic's website for more info. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.